Good morning, children. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is our occupation. Pages are 54 and 55. Children, in your previous or last class, you have learnt about the food we eat, the clothes we wear. Right, children? Who will grow the food we eat? Yes, farmer. Farmer will grow the food we eat. Children, who will stitch your clothes? Yes, tailor. Who will stitch our clothes? Yes, children, farmer is doing farming. Who will grow the crops? Where tailor is the one who stitch the clothes. It is their job. Job means occupation. Okay, children, job means occupation. So children, to buy the food which we eat or stitch the clothes which we wear, we need money. We need money to buy anything. How do we get money? By doing some work or job or occupation. Any work that helps a person to earn a livelihood is called a occupation. Teacher. A teacher is a person who helps the people to learn. A teacher works in a classroom. Students, now I am a teacher. What I am doing? I am helping you to learn. There are many different kinds of teachers, like primary teacher, middle school teacher, high school teacher. Scientist. Children, in your school you have seen a science lab. It is one of the occupation children for the scientist. A scientist is someone who conducts the scientific research. Doctor. Children, if you are feeling sick or you are having fever, where do you go? To hospital. Yes. There you can see a doctor where he helps to treat you for your illness like fever, cough, cold, etc. It is his occupation, children, to treat you. In return, what he will take? Money for his treatment. Engineer. When you went out, children, you can see number of buildings around you. Right? Who will build the buildings? Hospitals, malls, etc. Yes, it is engineer, children. He is the one who invent, design complex systems, machines, materials. It is his occupation. Nurse. Nurse plays significant role in hospitals. You can see nurse in hospital, children. What nurse will do? He includes the communication between the doctors and the patients. Carpenter. The work performed by the carpenter is cutting, shaping, installation of building materials during the construction of buildings, ships, bridges, concrete and frameworks, etc. Barber. Children, you like to have different hairstyles? Where do you go for your hairstyles? Yes, you will go to salon, where you can see a person who is cutting the hair, shave or trim the beard. It is his occupation, children. You can, in the picture you can see he is cutting the hair, he is combing the hair. Tailor. A tailor is someone who cuts and adjusts your clothes for better fit. The clothes which you wear are stitched by a tailor. Farmer. A farmer is also called an agriculturer. He is a person who engaged in agriculture for food or raw materials. Farmers are responsible for all the crops and livestock that are needed for us to survive. Laborer. A person who does the manual work. His job is to carry the loads. Miner. A person who works in mine like digging coal, salt, gold, minerals and other natural resources out of the earth. Soldier. A person who serves in an army, a person engaged in military service. A soldier is one who fights as a part of the army. Okay children, in the next class we will discuss about the topic farming, rearing animals. Thank you.